Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. I decided I'm gonna do a full day of eating today. It's Monday, it's Labor Day, so I don't have to work, which is great. So I just got ready for the gym. I have my gym outfit on. The sports bra is from Lululemon. It's a free to be one. And then these leggings are the Lululemon Wonder Under Train. So just got ready. I'm going to have my rice cake and pre-workout to get ready for the gym. It's what I always have before I go to the gym. So I'm having the BOWMAR nutrition pre-workout in sour gummy. It's my all-time favorite flavor. And then I'm just having a chocolate rice cake. It's just the Quaker rice cakes with some Jif natural peanut butter. So I'm going to make this and then head to the gym. All right, just got back from the gym. So I'm having my post-workout protein, BOWMAR nutrition, vegan blueberry donut, my all-time favorite flavor. So I'm just mixing this with water. And then I'm going to shower and then I'll make breakfast. Showered and now I'm making breakfast. I decided to do a smoothie and pork roll. If you guys don't know, pork roll I think is just like a Pennsylvania, New Jersey thing. So if you can't get pork roll, I'm sorry, it's so good. It's not good for you at all. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a mix between like sausage and bacon, I guess. It's like a very unique taste. I don't know. So I have the pork roll cooking here. I'm gonna have 2 slices, 2 are for Kyle, and I'm making eggs for Kyle. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm putting in my smoothie. So I have mango chunks that are frozen. I have frozen banana. I have frozen pineapple, and then I'm gonna add some blueberries in too, just because these are starting to go bad, so I'll add those in. And then I'm going to add the pina colada BCAAs from BOWMAR. This is the old BCAAs. Their BCAAs are now the essentials. So I'm just adding that in, and my liquid will be water. I forgot, I'm also going to add some spinach into it. This is the final product. So I have my 2 slices of pork roll and then my smoothie. And the smoothie that I made was for both of us. So if you don't want that much, then just cut the ingredients in half. And then I just have Kyle's breakfast over here. And that is going to be it for now. Got back from getting my Starbucks. So this is the next thing that I'm having. I got cold brew with 2 pumps of pumpkin, almond milk, and light ice. So that is my usual order. Also, they wrote my name as Halsey, which I said Kelsey, and then she asked me again. She was like, Kelsey? And I was like, yes, Kelsey. And then I look at it and it's Halsey. So, interesting. I went to the gym, so I'm gonna wait to have like a full lunch until he gets home. So I'm gonna have like a little snack plate. So I have cucumbers that have pink Himalayan sea salt on them and a little bit of garlic powder. I have some strawberries, I have some cheddar cheese slices, and some everything crackers from Trader Joe's. Just made my greens from BOWMAR. I didn't put any of the essentials in it today just because I put the BCAAs in my smoothie earlier. So I just have the greens with some water and ice. Now I'm just having a piece of the salmon that I made. I'm not really hungry enough to have any other sides, so I'm just having salmon for now. We ended up having that salmon at like 2:30 or 3 o'clock, and then I fell asleep on the couch, and I don't really feel that great. So I'm not eating that much. I have half of a pumpkin bagel from Trader Joe's with this Philadelphia brown sugar and cinnamon cream cheese on top. And then whatever else I eat, I'll show you guys. I decided to make dinner, so I have 2 of the jicama wraps. I think that's what they're called. And then I have some butter lettuce, some black beans, some cheddar cheese, and some of the beefless ground. And then I'm also gonna be having some pineapple salsa with chips. going to make some dates with peanut butter and chocolate chips. So all you do is take pitted dates, cut them in half, spread peanut butter on top, and then put the chocolate chips on top of that. So I'll show you guys that. It's probably gonna be the last thing that I have to eat tonight, I'm guessing.